Greeting internet friends, welcome to another episode of Dabbling with Dan. My t-shirt almost says it all. It should really say, Dad, we have a problem. What is the problem? Insects have gotten into this board, and then a woodpecker, I'll show you a video here.
Thanks for letting us know.
Yeah, and see, he's eating, you see, so that means you've got bugs up there.
Right.
I've seen like
Started pecking to get the insects out and it's caused all sorts of damage. So today we're just going to go ahead and remove this board and replace it with a pressure treated one, which I've already painted. So this is the tool in question, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of hit it there, and it is impossible to show you this as I am trying to film and do the work. So as you can kind of see how it digs in, and then of course you just pull it out like so. All right, moving on. All right, here it comes. There we go. All right, got that all off. Let's go cut a replacement piece. Look at all those holes. I'm just taking a moment to go ahead and pre-drill some screws, and just to kind of get a consistent spacing, I'm just using this tool and this paintbrush to mark a spot where I need to go ahead and put the next screw. I went ahead and got that temporarily put up. Now I'm going to put them screws in all the way. Got 7 screws in there and one angry wood boring bee. He will not leave. He's trying to find his home. He's not going to find it here. All right, let's measure that piece and get this done. Got it done, putting the last coat of paint on it. Again, I appreciate you guys joining me, and there in that corner over there, there's that little subscribe button. Share it, put a comment, like it. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Till next time, bye. There's that bee again.